figured rather than to have her drive all the way up there, and then they're all coming down to my mom's tomorrow.
Oh.
So.
For what? Just 4?
Yeah.
No. Why do I remember it over that one? I know it's right. It's just,
Yeah.
I don't know if they moved.
Could be. Yeah.
How do I do?
I've never seen the fireworks at Funtown.
Yeah.
I've seen the Portland ones. I've seen the ones down in Old Orchard, which are nice.
I've always wanted to see the Portland ones. I hear they're awesome,
I've
but
only seen them twice from the boat. I used to go.
yeah.
Well, the thing is, if you go into Eastern Prom or you try to get into Funtown, you're in and out
Right.
an hour and a half trying to battle traffic versus here.
No,
it's
I know.
like,
Yeah.
no big deal.
The one in Portland I saw on the boat, and that was fine. But these are much easier. Much
Yeah.
easier.
They're green.
I was telling her, remember when we used to have big battles sitting in the parking lot, like trying to get out? You just edge out.
Well, these guys were babies.
Oh, yeah.
Because they didn't want to wait.
Right.
And they wouldn't go to sleep because they were too tired.
Yeah, that's hard.
And then again, when we were in our 20s
Yeah.
or 30s, we're at
30s.
Eastern Prom. Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah.
When it's over, you ready?
Yeah.
I never saw him there.
Oh, you didn't? Oh, it was
No.
pretty fun, but it's a madhouse. It's just
Yeah.
like one
Yeah.
big drama.
Makes sense. Actually, I don't know where I'm watching them tomorrow. Maybe I won't watch them at all.
Well, I guess the beach has them, but I think they're just the regular.
They're so lame.
I know. They put them off like Thursdays and Saturdays, don't they?
Yeah.
Happy
Thursday.
4th of
Yeah.
July.
Like they should
that's
just save their
tomorrow.
budget.
But this is a pre.
Oh,
this
3rd
is
of
like a.
July?
Yeah, this is the 3rd of July. You're right.
Liam, it's called pre-gaming.
Yeah.
Oh.
I almost said that, but then I didn't know if you'd understand that completely. So
This is Funtown celebration.
Gotta teach you sometime.
Funtown celebration?
this is Funtown celebration.
Funtown celebration?
Yeah, Funtown's right over there. They're shooting them off at Funtown. Funtown's right over there.
Yeah. Yep.
Fun times.
Right over those
Fun
trees.
time.
Fun time?
Fun
Fun
time.
time.
Fun times.
Oh, and then that one time Paul and family went years ago, and they're like, we're over at Martinez.
Yeah.
And my parents are like, oh, well, we're over there too. We're like, oh, we're in the parking lot over here.
Yeah.
That was a bad idea.
Definitely.
Even Martell's is hard to get out of.
Oh, I guess it is. They gotta slowly.
I know.
They can't really go crazy.
I know.
They don't have that many fireworks.
What's with the orange ones?
What's wrong with the orange ones? You think they were on sale?
Yeah, probably because they're not really patriotic.
They were left over from last
Yeah.
year.
You were like the BOGO ones.
They were red, they turned orange.
I mean,
Yeah,
BOGO
they
ones.
faded.
I mean, they're not bad. They could be.
Happy 3rd of July.
Happy 3rd of July.
Pre 4th July.
It's a good choice.
Everyone.
You doing okay, Finny?
Are you filming? Are you filming, Ben?
He's doing
Yes.
video.
Oh, okay.
Russell.
Hi, bud. Yeah. Winthrop's then? On your buddy's boat?
I forgot that. Yeah, I mean, they practically blew up the island. I mean, it's just like.
I know, but there was such that cloud that you couldn't see the fireworks. Remember that?
Remember the story of the guy who lights them off?
Yes.
He light himself on fire.
Something about he was what, part of the fire department or something, and he decided to be like a pyrotechnic person or something like that.
He literally started collecting fireworks the day after 4th of July and kept it all year.
I know.
This guy that lit him off in Massachusetts that Mom and I went down to see.
That's how you have to do it.
Literally lit the island on fire. I don't know. Yeah, it was just nuts.
I like that one. Someday I'm gonna go to a big fireworks.
Yeah. Are you working tomorrow? Oh. What are you gonna do?
Go to the beach at some point.
Oh,
with
okay.
Eric and Hannah and Luke and Stevie.
Oh.
I don't know that one, but
Oh.
she's like a friend. I'm not sure.
Oh,
It's like
Hannah's
Kizzy
friend?
Anthony. No. She's like Kizzy Anthony, but female.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go. Yeah, that makes it, not so weird.
Yeah, no, it's not. It's okay. Yes, this kid's not Saturday morning. So
Oh.
weekend, just me and myself.
Oh, nice.
Which is fine, because I have to do some work. So.
Those remind me of like water bugs.
They're kind of fun.
Yeah.
I like those.
Aeroplane. I hear airplane.
Ooh,
He's over there.
it's kind of a cool one. I
Yeah.
like the half-half.
Yeah.
Is he over there?
Oh yeah. Shooting stars.
Bogo.
Marshall.
I don't know if that was supposed to be a dress.
I don't know.
Kind of confused.
Yeah, like green and purple, like Joker or something. Yeah, but once in a blue moon they'll have a odd shaped one,
Yeah.
like that circle. Years ago, we used to go to Number One Pond in Sanford. We used to have like a boat show before that with like water skiers and stuff, and they'd have a picture and let's see, like a happy face.
Yeah.
That was a big one, wasn't it, Liam?
More stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, that
Marshall. Marshall.
Still like that one. It's like my favorite.
Yeah. Maybe they're calling that gold, but they weren't moving any units. Yeah, just buy this orange
Oh,
one.
hey now.
That's not
George is hurting on that one.
Yeah. Bronze is the right choice for that.
Yeah.
He just lost a thumb.
He's been bringing it up, so he's got it.
This whole face.
Abby's gonna be busy tomorrow.
Thank goodness.
She's not working.
Yeah, well, someone's gonna be busy tomorrow.
Not my holiday. Memorial Day doesn't hold the same.
Does Meg work
Yeah,
tomorrow?
what do you think, Liam?
Yeah.
Good.
Good. Oh, they're loud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Muscle. Muscle.
Yeah.
I have like a couple colors associated with that.
They use. Oh, I like those.
I like
Like
those
big
too.
lantern.
Yeah. Those are fun.
Yeah. Have you heard of any like weird skin infections from like swimming this year? Any
Freshwater or saltwater?
either? Isn't there like MRSA or something?
Yeah, you can duckage from freshwater, which is
That was pretty cool.
parasite of duck.
Yeah.
It goes away.
Is it like a rash?
It's just itchy
Yeah.
much.
Oh.
Saltwater. Always Vibrio. It's the same. Nothing weirder than that.
Poor Liam still got a big scar on his back from that big one.
For me?
When you get that big hole on your back, you still got the scar from it? Yeah. Well, Abby's a doctor, so that's why I'm asking if she's heard about any kind of water, because they've been going swimming in Rotary Park a lot.
Should be fine. There's nothing weird.
Probably too cold anyway, right?
It's usually gotta be really warm before you get these weird stuff.
Yeah.
We don't get that ever, so we're safe.
I barely get sharks.
We're always well. That's the only thing.
Yeah.
We should all be afraid of this. I am. That's all I know.
Yes. Oh, yeah, I know. It was like the ping off the metal siding. No. It's usually like a pause and then another round.
Major round.
Yep.